Hi, Super Kids. It's me, Shelly Seaside, and I'm so happy you're here because I got a vent. So tomorrow night, I have fish karaoke. And I know I come off as cool and confident, but I'm really nervous because I've never sang in front of an audience before. What if I forget my line? What if I sing off note? How am I supposed to get any of my beauty sleep with all these worries? Have you ever heard of a worry doll? Well, it's a doll that you can tell all your worries to, and then you're stress-free. Are you down to make one with me? Okay, here's our super plan. First, we'll get the supplies we need. Then, we'll go on a nature walk. Third, we'll wrap our worry dolls. And 4, we'll make it super. Here's what you'll need. A stick, multiple colors of yarn or embroidery thread, tape, scissors, a black marker, and an optional pipe cleaner. Pause here if you're still collecting your materials. Okay, besties, let's make a worry doll. Step 1, go for a nature walk. For me, a nature swim. If you haven't already, go outside and collect a small, wide stick. Don't forget to stop and smell the roses. Enjoy the fresh air, while I enjoy some fresh water. This stick will become your base for your worry doll. I learned about worry dolls when I took a trip to Guatemala, where they originated. Artisans used wood and wire to assemble little bodies and then make outfits for the doll to wear. If you still need to source your stick, pause now. Now, let's do step 2, wrapping our worry dolls. To start, I'm going to use the color I want my worry doll's face to be. Using a little piece of tape, I'm going to tape the end of my string to my stick. Don't worry, that will be covered in a moment. Now we can wrap our string around and around and around so it covers the amount of space I want for my worry doll's face. I want my worry doll to have a very calm face. When stress keeps you awake, tell your worries to your doll and they'll take the stress away so you can sleep peacefully. Okay, so when we want to change colors, you can snip the first string so there is enough to hold down and start wrapping the new string over it. As long as we wrap the string over itself enough times, it should hold in place. Continue with as many color changes as you want. Now it's time to tie it off. Use your scissors to cut the string, but be sure to leave a generous tail. Then, take the string, wrap it around your finger and the stick, bringing the tail of the string through the hole where your finger is and pull it tight. Let's do that a few more times to make sure it's secure. Wrap the string around your finger and the stick. Remove your finger and thread the string through and pull. Now, how about 1 or 2 more times? Wrap the string around your finger and the stick, pull out your finger, leaving a loop, thread the string through and pull. Way to go! Then we can snip off the last little excess. Phew! Pause now if you need more time to wrap your worry doll. On to step 3, making it super. Let's dive in. Using a black marker, you can add 2 little dots for eyes and maybe a curved line for a mouth. I'm also going to add a pipe cleaner to make some arms for my worry doll. To do this, I'm going to wrap the pipe cleaner around the body of my doll where the arms would be, and bend them so they can have little elbows. Being a bit of a fashion expert, I think I will even wrap some more string around it to look like sleeves of a shirt for my worry doll. If you want, you can do the same. Oh my manta ray, even making my worry doll has helped ease my nerves. Okay, I'm gonna tell my worry doll everything, go to bed, and I'll report back. See you soon, super kids. Hey, guess what? My doll ate up all my worries and I was able to sleep. I'm ready to make a life-changing performance. And look, your dolls look fabulous. When you're done, take a photo and send it to hello@supernow.com. Ta-ta for now!